Google Play Store not opening or crashing. Here are all 16 fixes. Fix 1. Force close and reopen. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and hold to open your recent apps. Find the Play Store card and swipe it up to close it completely. Then return home and tap the Play Store icon to open it fresh.
Fix 2. Restart the device. Press and hold the power button on the side of your phone. Tap Restart on the power menu and wait for the phone to fully boot up. A restart clears stuck processes and temporary system errors. On a Samsung, swipe down twice and tap the power icon, then tap Restart twice.
Fix 3. Check your internet connection. Swipe down from the top of the screen and make sure the Wi-Fi tile is turned on and shows your network name. If the Play Store still fails, toggle airplane mode on, wait a full 10 seconds, then toggle it off again. This resets all of the phone's radios. You can also switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, since one connection may work while the other is blocked. Then open the Play Store and test it one more time.
Fix 4. Set the date and time automatically. Open Settings, then System, then Date and Time. Turn on both Set Time automatically and Set Time Zone automatically. A wrong clock breaks the secure certificates the Play Store needs, so it can refuse to open. If both are already on, toggle them off and back on, then restart.
Fix 5. And this is the single most effective fix of all. Clearing the Play Store cache and data. Open Settings, then tap Apps, then See All Apps. Search for Google Play Store and tap it. Tap Storage and Cache. First, tap Clear Cache. Then tap Clear Storage and confirm by tapping Delete. Don't worry, this does not delete your installed apps, your photos, or your Google account. It only resets the Play Store's own preferences. Now open the Play Store again. The first launch is a little slower while it reinitializes. Tap Agree if the terms of service appear, then try downloading an app to test it. On Samsung phones, these buttons are called Storage and Clear Data instead.
Fix 6. Clear Google Play services. This is the background framework the Play Store depends on. Open Settings, then Apps, then See All Apps, and find Google Play services. It sits in the normal list. Tap Storage and Cache, then Clear Cache. Next tap Manage All Space, then clear all data, and confirm with Delete. Restart your phone so Play services can reinitialize. Heads up, Google warns this may remove saved passwords, transit cards, and payment cards, so you may need to sign back in.
Fix 7. Check the Download Manager. This hidden system app runs every Play download. Open Settings, then Apps, then See All Apps. Tap the three-dot menu and turn on Show System Apps. Scroll to Download Manager and tap it. If you see an Enable button, tap it. A disabled Download Manager is a classic cause. Then clear its cache and storage, and restart. If downloads still hang, clear Google Services Framework the same way.
Fix 8. Uninstall the Play Store updates, then update it again. This is the very first fix that Google itself lists, because a bad auto update can ship a crash bug. Touch and hold the Play Store icon and tap App Info. Tap the three-dot menu, then uninstall updates and confirm with OK. This rolls the app back to its factory version. Now open the Play Store. Tap your profile picture, then Settings, then About. Tap Play Store version to download and install the latest update. If it says you're already up to date, just restart and test.
Fix 9. Remove your Google account, then add it back again. This fixes account-related errors like 403, 401, 920, and 961. Open Settings, then Passwords and Accounts, and tap your Google account. Tap Remove Account, and confirm the warning. Back up first, because removing the account deletes its messages, contacts, and other data from this device only. Everything stays safe in the cloud. Now tap Add Account, choose Google, and sign back in with your email and password. finish any two-factor prompt, let the account sync completely, then open the Play Store and test it.
Fix 10. Free up some storage space. The Play Store needs at least 1 GB free to run, and 2 GB or more is recommended. Open Settings, then Storage, and check the available number. Errors 919 and 923 mean storage is the cause. Uninstall unused apps, or clean up big files with Files by Google, then restart and test.
Fix 11. Reset your network settings to clear hidden misconfiguration. Open Settings, then System, then Reset Options. Tap Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth, then Reset Settings and enter your PIN. This erases saved Wi-Fi passwords and Bluetooth pairings, but your photos, apps, and files are untouched. Reconnect to Wi-Fi, then test the Play Store.
Fix 12. Run the Google Play system update to refresh the Play modules built into Android. Open Settings, then Security and Privacy, then System Security. Tap Google Play System Update, then download and install and restart. If you can't find it, try About Phone, then Android version.
Fix 13. Update the Android system. An outdated OS can break the Play Store's connection to Google's servers. Open Settings, then System Update. Tap Check for Update, then download and install. The phone restarts automatically, which can take 10 to 30 minutes, so keep it charged.
Fix 14. Boot into safe mode to find the culprit. Open the power menu, then long press. Power off until you see Reboot to safe mode and tap OK. In safe mode, all third-party apps are disabled. Test the Play Store. If it works here, a third-party app is the problem, so uninstall recent apps one by one, especially security or cleaner apps. If it still fails, it's a system-level issue. To exit safe mode, simply restart the phone.
Fix 15. Reset App Preferences. This re-enables system apps a cleaner may have disabled and deletes no data. Open Settings, then Apps, then See All Apps. Tap the three-dot menu, choose Reset App Preferences, and confirm. Restart, then test the Play Store.
Fix 16. The last resort. A full factory reset. This succeeds almost every time, but it erases everything on the phone, so use it only when nothing else works. First, back up your photos, chats, passwords, and two-factor codes. Then open Settings, then System, then Reset Options. Tap Erase All Data, also called Factory Reset, and confirm with your PIN. The phone wipes itself and restarts in 5 to 10 minutes. Set it up again, sign into Google, and the Play Store will work.
So why does this keep happening? About 60% of the time, it's corrupted cache and data inside the Play Store. Around 20% is configuration errors, like a wrong clock or a stale account. 15% is software issues, like buggy updates. 5% is low storage or server problems. Error codes like 403 and 919 point to the exact cause.
That's all 16 fixes. Test after each one and stop as soon as it works. Tell us in the comments which fix worked for you. It helps other viewers. Like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step guides.